Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to show your LinkedIn connection list on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your connections visible to others, all from your desktop browser. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the me icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control all aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Click on Visibility. This section manages who can see your profile information and activity. Now, look for the option labeled Who Can See Your Connections. Click to enter this setting. Here, you'll find the option to enable or disable connection visibility. To make your connection list visible, simply toggle the setting to enable connection visibility. Once you've done this, your connections will be visible to others according to your chosen privacy preferences. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open LinkedIn from your browser, click the me icon at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, select Visibility, then enter Who Can See Your Connections, and finally, enable connection visibility. That's all it takes. With these easy steps, you can control who sees your LinkedIn connections and manage your network visibility with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.